Now I was expecting my tax returns, there's some kind of mix-up that's getting my straight.
Yeah, I
But
know.
they're in the wash.
Yeah, you
Our
told me.
But anyway,
next
I
form will
spoke
be
to David today, it's all straightened out.
the paradox Pokemon based on
Paul
salamence,
on the guy that instead of mine.
Yeah.
What else did I have? I had a
one of the Pokemon universe's
heavy.
classic
But some
and
months I hit
strongest
heavy,
Dragon-type
so I had
Pokemon.
that excess money.
His
Some
name is
months I
Roaring
quit.
Moon,
Yep.
So,
and to be honest, I've taken a liking to this
Well, you know, take a
Pokemon.
look
For
at it, I'll
starters,
look at the
he's based on
companies and
Archaeopteryx.
find out more
Well,
about it. I
he's
also
actually an
got
ancient
my
form
own research before
for
that. I just put together a
Salamence.
monthly proposal for them, so, you know.
So, I'm gonna be
You can't get more on the inside than right now, when you tell me, right?
True.
And if they gotta remember you and contact you, and it's,
He also asked if I know anybody else that they can, work with advertising wise.
what do you mean?
Other companies to advertise with, other avenues.
Well, they usually advertising through you, right?
This proposal is through me, but they, you know, obviously want to diversify, they're not putting all their advertising through me.
So he's recommending other outfits that could do,
He
do
wants to
You
know.
are
advertising
doing
Yeah,
great.
I know other
for them? In other words, instead of one avenue, you can have several avenues going on, doing the same thing.
Yeah. So I'll, you know, see what friends I want to put it out to.
But say you recommend Company X to do some advertising, you get some kind of a kickback for them?
Something to talk about.
This is all on the come, I understand all this, but, you know, this gets better as we go along. There's a possibility of making a few dollars.
Sure.
Now, they're releasing their, research information.
You ever seen
you're
this,
saying, on
um,
what kind of ammunition?
Chuggington
They, you know, they
PlayStation?
make, 5 or 6 different,
you know, that
types that are,
I know it's supposed to be Chuggington
mainly
themed.
military.
Well, most of the characters are all just Wilson, Brewster, and Coco, where the kids can ride on. What about the other characters like Matombo? And what about Frostini or Action Sugar? Piper, Zeppy, Hodge, Chatsworth, Emery. And what about Dunbar? What about him? When will we ever get to see him?
A lot of part of next week.
It's reels to the rails.
The weekend is the weekend, that's a set day, so to speak.
Next
Got
time's
it
check
today, they
first.
might scan it today, scrutinize it early next week.
Yeah, once they get into it, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, by Tuesday and Wednesday, I think they will be discussing this heavily. Which way to go, you know? Make a decision, that's why I say, for you, the latter part of next week, you might hear something from one way
And
or
I,
the
you know,
other.
I put in the proposal, let me know if there's any additions or adjustments you'd like me to make.
Yeah, they may be going back and forth, but, all right. Keep me posted on that one, that's an interesting.
At my job, I feel like that I should take the plastic boards down
I wasn't touching.
and
No pad, no pads.
That was like Paul was telling me.
and place them in the front of the store. That way that the guys wouldn't have to remind me to bring them up. And that I wouldn't have to bang my skull against the floor. I mean, against the boards. That'd be much better, wouldn't it? That's something you would do if you ever got a job at Sweet Green. Sure, it's a big job, but it's a big responsibility.
funny, but really funny.
It's my job to keep the responsibility for this restaurant satisfactory and happy. I mean, it's our job to make our salad place the best salad place in town. I mean, I would like to add pineapple to the menu. I just don't understand why they wouldn't add it. I guess it's up to the manager's idea. Well, I know my job is for dish patrol. I just wish they accept one of my ideas. I know they don't involve bacon bits on the menu.
They were playing one-on-one before the tree. All drives into him.
I'd do anything to see it happen. Muhammad, if you're watching this, I thank you for giving me this job. And I'll do everything in my power to make this place the best. Anyways, much like Solomon's, his body is crested and covered in feathers. It's multiplication. Get it through your skull, news guy.
The more money you can get your hands on, to find more clothes. So the next phase, this is phase one, as you showed me, right? Now you take the clothes from the bulbs, I think he said you get 4 clothes from one bulb.
It really depends, it varies that. You know, some you get 6, 7, some you get 4.
Well, he told me that, but he took the conservative number, which I think you should do.
I'm really amped for the Pokemon expansion pass. And I've been wanting to draw these characters for like eons now. And finished. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Roaring Moon from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Pokemon from the past. Mission accomplished.